This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for dental board exams. First, establish a comprehensive study plan. This involves setting clear goals and allocating specific times for each subject. Understanding your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, will help you choose the most effective study techniques. Make sure to collect all your textbooks, notes, and online resources before you begin. Next, implement smart study strategies. Active recall, where you test yourself without looking at notes, significantly boosts memory. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals. Regularly taking practice questions and full-length mock exams helps you get comfortable with the format and timing. Consider joining a study group to discuss challenging concepts and learn from peers. Focus your efforts on key content areas. Identify and prioritize high-yield topics that appear most frequently on the board exams. Thoroughly review foundational sciences like anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology, connecting them to clinical applications. Ensure you have a strong grasp of common dental procedures, diagnoses, and treatment planning. This targeted approach maximizes your study efficiency. Finally, prepare for exam day readiness. Prioritize getting sufficient sleep and maintaining a balanced diet in the weeks leading up to the exam. Practice effective time management during your mock exams to ensure you can complete all sections within the allotted time. On the actual day, stay calm, trust your preparation, and approach each question with confidence. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.